All right, everyone, welcome back to the show. And what a difference a few days can make. Today, we're seeing some really nice gains in the crypto market, or at least some gain backs, upwards of about 10% for many of the top cryptocurrencies. And this is happening for a number of reasons. So on this video, I'm going to try to put the puzzle pieces together for you and let you know why this is happening and what this should mean for your decisions moving forward with cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and start right here. This is a tweet that was sent out by Nayib Bukele, who is the president of El Salvador, the first country in the world that has adopted cryptocurrency as a means of transaction by law. He sent this out today at around 2:51 a.m. by means of his iPhone. And essentially what this tweet is showing the world is that El Salvador is now making money by mining Bitcoin using essentially free energy from the volcanoes in that country. And in the line item here, mine pending estimated, you can see exactly how much Bitcoin El Salvador is projecting to have mined already, and it's about $300 worth of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take a little look at CNBC's reporting of this.
Has become the country to watch in the evolution of Bitcoin, first making it legal tender, now taking extraordinary steps to address mining's energy usage problem. CNBC.com tech reporter Mackenzie Sigalos is here with more on what we know about their latest efforts, Mackenzie, involving volcanoes.
So for the first time, Kelly, El Salvador is officially using power harnessed from a volcano to mine for Bitcoin. President Bukele said a couple hours ago that the country has so far earned $269 worth of Bitcoin. Now, details are sparse, but here's what we do know. Earlier this week, the president posted a video showing these sweeping landscape aerials of an energy factory in the thick of a forest bordering a volcano.
So let's take a look at some of this from Nayib Bukele himself. You can see this tweet here. I've just instructed the president of LAGEOSV, our state-owned geothermal electric company, to put up a plan to offer facilities for Bitcoin, mining with very cheap, 100% clean, 100% renewable, zero emissions energy from our volcano. I'm going to scroll through so you can see that operation that they have going on there. I need a little bit more to share with you and just tell you why this is so important. Another tweet here from Nayib Bukele. Our engineers just informed me that they dug a new well that will provide approximately 95 MW of 100% clean, zero emissions, geothermal energy from our volcanoes, starting to design a full Bitcoin mining hub around it. What you see coming out of the well is pure water vapor. This is just the beginning. I truly hope that El Salvador hits this out of the park. Yes, they've only mined a little under $300 Bitcoin at this point, but this is just the start of it. They are putting together the operations right now with nearly fully clean energy, completely supplied by the earth through geothermal energy to provide their country an extreme amount of money through a very stable means. As other countries begin to see this, they are going to absolutely jump on board. In addition, cryptocurrency is going to become the cleanest form of money on planet Earth because the move towards mining it with 100% emissions-free energy has such a big push right now, and we see so many cryptocurrency coins getting on board with that. This is starting to excite a lot of investors, companies, and countries around the world, which is why we're seeing a lot of the spikes and investment back into cryptocurrencies right now. But it doesn't end here because we had Jerome Powell giving testimony to Congress that was very important. Take a listen.
So, Mr. Chairman, as a matter of policy, is it your intention to ban or limit the use of cryptocurrencies like we're seeing in China?
No, and I immediately realized I had misspoken there. I didn't mean to take the word cryptocurrency out of that sentence, and I would say it's fairly widely understood that central bank digital currencies could perform could make
but no intention to ban.
Less.
No intention to ban.
No intention to ban them, but they're the stable coins are like money market funds. They're like bank deposits, but they're to some extent outside the regulatory perimeter, and it's appropriate that they be regulated. Same activity, same regulation.
That testimony by the chair of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, to Congress was very important because he said as clear as could be that no, there are no intentions of banning cryptocurrency. And he went further than that and said, actually, the stable coins We want to look into regulating those more effectively and more efficiently, which is what we have been saying on this channel all along. They're looking to adopt cryptocurrency into the current system, which means they're accepting it. They realize it's a part of the future of currency and transactions here on planet Earth and in the United States of America. This, along with the El Salvador news, has given cryptocurrency a nice little shot in the arm and a push back up. And there's a lot of excitement, especially around Ethereum. There's some really nice excitement around Dogecoin. I highly suggest that you're invested in both of those cryptocurrencies. We have one more really important thing to talk about, and that is volume. Looking here at Coinbase, you can see the market is up 9.01%. Of course, Bitcoin up 10%, Ethereum up 10%, but the volume is so important. Just a day ago, 24 hours ago, Bitcoin was at about 30 billion volume. It's now 12.2 billion higher over 24 hours. Ethereum was at 15 billion volume. It is now up around 7.1 billion. And Dogecoin had actually dropped below a billion, and now it's up to 1.4 billion, which is pretty good for Dogecoin, although we'd like to see it go up a little higher than that. We're seeing some really nice gains from Binance Coin and Solana. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Binance Coin eclipse Cardano in maybe the next few days or week. And I also wouldn't be surprised if we see Solana eclipse XRP in the next few days or the upcoming week as well. So ultimately, what does this mean for your future in investing in cryptocurrencies? Well, certainly if you're a holder of cryptocurrencies, continue to hold. Obviously, on this channel, we have many people who try to day trade it or predict highs and lows, and that's fine. You can continue to go that direction. But if you're a long-term holder, I'll keep saying this again, and this is the way that I get involved in cryptocurrencies. I look at it the long term down the line. You are in a good place. Cryptocurrency is definitely going to be the future. It's definitely going to be along the clean energy lines as far as mining is concerned, and it's going to be adopted into most countries through regulation and law, if not entirely adopted by countries like El Salvador as a means of currency. If not, it will be adopted by thousands and thousands and tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of businesses across the world. So you want to get involved, you want to be involved now, and you want to get involved in good cryptocurrency companies. Long-term holders out there, you have nothing to worry about 5-10 years down the line. If you're playing the up and down game, just try to make some good decisions. Hopefully you're listening to good people. It is very hard to predict this day to day. Could cryptocurrency go back down tomorrow? It's possible. Could Congress make some dumb decisions and then have it go down? It's possible. Could it skyrocket up tomorrow? Yes. There's a lot of predictors right now that Ethereum could see some massive jumps very quickly and very shortly. Could that happen? Yes, but we don't entirely know. I would suggest at minimum, you hold long term and don't be worried about any short-term volatility. But if you're going to play the up and down game, just be careful and all the best to you. But this is very good for the futures of cryptocurrency and the investors and those of you that are a part of this channel certainly investing in this area. Thank you for coming along with me. Hopefully this provides some context behind what we are seeing today and some good news for you. As always, I will catch you all next time.